Stop wasting money on cleaning products that promise to change your life and then disappear under the sink next to the avocado slicer and that banana hanger you bought in 2017. These are 14 cleaning products that are actually worth every penny. Number one, Zep Wall Cleaner. If your walls have fingerprints, mystery marks, and that one streak you've been pretending not to see for 3 years, this stuff is fantastic. I swear, walls collect grime like they have hobbies. You clean one section and suddenly realize your house was 50 shades darker than you remembered. Nothing humbles you faster than discovering your paint color is eggshell and not nicotine beige. Number two, a robotic vacuum and mop. This little machine is the employee of the month. Mine works harder than some people I know. I like to sit on the couch and watch it clean while pretending I'm supervising. It's not laziness, it's management. Sometimes it gets stuck under a chair and sends an SOS. Sir, you're trapped under a dining room table, not climbing Mount Everest. Number three, an electric scrubber. Because some of us would like clean grout without training for the Olympics. Gone are the days of crouching on the floor with a toothbrush, feeling like Cinderella. My knees have filed for retirement. This thing does the hard work while I stand there looking important. Number four, Swedish dishcloths. Paper towels are expensive. Those little cloths are reusable and absorb everything. They're like tiny Scandinavian superheroes. They're practical, efficient, and somehow make me feel like I should organize my spices alphabetically. Meanwhile, my junk drawer looks like a hostage situation. Number five, magic erasers. These things remove marks I didn't even know existed, crayons, scuffs, strange smudges that appeared out of nowhere. Magic erasers clean so well, they make you question your parenting, decorating choices, and life decisions. Use gently, though. They're magical, not immortal. Number six, Wyman Stainless Steel Cleaner. If you've ever cleaned stainless steel with regular spray and ended up with fingerprints that somehow multiplied, welcome to the club. Stainless steel appliances are gorgeous for 12 seconds. Then somebody touches them. Why does everyone in the house suddenly become obsessed with the refrigerator door? Do we need milk every 8 minutes? This cleaner actually leaves everything shiny, and suddenly you're admiring your refrigerator like it's a luxury car. Number seven, Wyman Cooktop Cleaner. Glass cooktops are beautiful until spaghetti night happens. Then they look like a crime scene. This cleaner removes burned on messes and restores your dignity. Because scraping oatmeal off the stove at 9 o'clock at night is not how I envisioned adulthood. Number eight, Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. No sticky residue, no weird film, just clean floors, which you'll admire for exactly 7 minutes before someone walks across them carrying potato chips. Crumbs have incredible confidence. They travel in packs. Number nine, Dyson and Shark vacuums. Listen, vacuum technology has come a long way. Remember dragging those giant machines around? You practically need a commercial driver's license. These newer vacuums are powerful and lightweight, and seeing what they pull out of your carpet is both satisfying and deeply upsetting. Where did all that come from? Do I live in a dust factory? Number 10, Sprayway Glass Cleaner. No streaks, no haze, no 20-minute polishing session, just sparkling mirrors and windows. Cleaning mirrors is dangerous, though. 1 second you're wiping, the next second you're examining your neck like you're studying for a medical exam. Nobody warned us about necks. Number 11, Dawn Power Wash. This stuff deserves a fan club. Grease doesn't stand a chance. It cleans dishes, stovetops, cabinets, and pretty much anything except your credit card bill. If they could bottle motivation, I'd buy that too. Number 12, Toilet Bowl Cleaner Tablets. Because nobody wakes up thinking, you know what sounds fun? Cleaning toilets. This helps keep things fresh between cleanings. Tiny little workers, silent heroes, unsung legends. Unlike family members who somehow missed the hamper by 3 feet. Number 13, disposable latex free gloves. Because some cleaning jobs require emotional support and gloves. Nobody wants mystery goo under their fingernails. No, thank you. I don't ask questions. I put on gloves and proceed like I'm handling classified documents. Number 14, an extendable duster. Out of sight should not mean out of existence. Ceiling fans, corners, baseboards, light fixtures, dust settles everywhere like it pays rent. The extendable handle means no balancing on chairs while making promises to yourself that begin with, "This is probably fine." No, it's not fine. Gravity is undefeated. And that's my list of cleaning products that actually earn their place in the house. Because if something takes up space under my sink, it better contribute to society. Life is too short for disappointing cleaning products, and too long to keep scrubbing grout with a toothbrush.